developers. So today is Saturday. There is clothes all over the floor. There is toys all over the floor because my children have been in my room this morning. So first things first is to tidy that up, head downstairs, get some breakfast, and then I'm going to work on my game. So that's what we're doing for today. You're going to see a day in my life of a dad who makes video games but only gets 5 minutes to make video games a day. Bam! Let's get started. Okay guys, all the small chores done. We've had breakfast, my kids have had breakfast, my partner's had breakfast, we've all done that. It's now time to work on my next game. So I've been working on a few different projects at the minute. One of them is the Fire Runner game, where it's a really nice atmospheric story driven platformer which I'm aiming to build. It's in early stages. There was a devlog the other day, you can check it out, but for now we're actually working on another mobile game as well. I made this game concept back in 2017, so 3 years ago, and I just completely forgot about it. I wasn't good enough at the time to actually make a mobile game, but I think now I finally released my first mobile game, we should be able to basically build this mobile game and it actually be good. So I'm going to show you what I've got so far, and then yeah, we're going to take it from there. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's in my lovely Star Laboratories book, and if we skip over here and we unravel the crazy mess of these papers that got ripped out of one of my old Game of Thrones books, boom, the game idea is right here. So I did this way back in 2017. It was like towards the end, it's like December 2017, and the whole idea of the game is to build a rocket that launches from a planet up into the atmosphere, and you've got to avoid obstacles while you're on your way to wherever you're on your way to. I'm not sure about that yet. There's no actual story to the game because it's just an arcade game, but the whole element is you've got a score. The score is how many meters you've travelled from the planet, or I don't know what, maybe not meters, it's probably a lot longer distances, kilometers, miles maybe, I don't know. But there's collectible scrap. You collect scrap to upgrade your rocket. You then use the scrap, and then you can also collect coins, and the coins are used, or diamonds in this case, I've drawn there, are used to buy skins and apparel and stuff like that, so different skins for your rocket ship. You've got fuel gauge, and the whole point of the fuel system is that you've only got a limited amount of fuel. You have to collect fuel tanks what randomly spawn as you're flying through the world, and that's kind of it. So this is my little drawing, my little sketchbook, and I'm going to be working on that game today. I've started transferring it into, again, there's loads of different, all these pages here are all on it. So I'll transfer it into a book. I actually think it looks better in the old one, but I just kind of, I don't know, I wanted to put it in an actual book so it's not just on paper in case I lose the paper. But this is where we're at so far, so I'm going to get started on this now. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of hours since I showed you the book. This is what I've done so far. I have pixel arted a little rocket. I did a lot of research in these past hour or so just on how rockets should look like, how they fly, all this sort of thing, so I could make it a little accurate. Obviously it's going to be not accurate at all, but kind of what I did. So I added in this like little red engine at the bottom with the glass and the 3 dots thingy, so you can kind of see out the ship. Kind of tried to make it look as much like a spaceship as possible, added the red wings, and then I added this animation for the thruster at the bottom, so this is kind of cool. I'm hoping this is actually going to look good in the actual game, so it should be coming out of the bottom of the thruster down here. Guys, so just finished doing some pixel art, as I said, showed you on screen a second ago. Right now I'm going to head out into that outside world down there, and I'm going to head to the shop, get a drink maybe, I don't know, go for a walk, do some exercise. I'll time lapse it maybe. We'll see what happens. I'll see you in a sec. What's up, people? So it's been around a couple of hours since I last went to the shop and came back. I haven't done much more work. As you can see, my computer is off. Yes, there's a sock on my microphone so you guys don't hear me go pop, 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 pop. I need to buy a pop filter, but they're like super cheap and I just keep forgetting to buy one. So I could just throw it on Amazon. Alexa, buy me a pop filter. She never listens to me. Yeah, so what I'm doing for the rest of the day is I'm wearing my hat backwards. For the rest of the day, I am going to be working towards more of my game. Then later on, we're doing date night with me and my partner, and that's that. So I hope by the end of tonight, I have a sort of started the Unity project. I might not. I might still be doing art, but we'll see what it's at. I'll show you all the pixel art at the end of this video as well. So hopefully that's good. So yep, let's crack on, keep going. So I might do a time lapse of me doing some work later on as well, but it depends on how light it is in here because it gets dark pretty early and I ain't got no light to turn on unless I turn my big light on. But if I turn my big light on, it's not good lighting. Okay guys, so I showed you a little bit of pixel art I've done today, or yesterday. It's actually the next morning now. So I didn't get much more done after doing the pixel art. I ended up playing with my kids a bit, putting them to bed, and then spending the rest of the night with my partner. So it's not been much, not a productive day yesterday, not really. I'm going to continue working on it today, but again, it was only a day in my life, and I'm not going to do more than a day for now. But if you do enjoy this video, then let me know. Maybe I'll do a week in my life and I'll actually just cut out all the boring bits and we just do all the fun bits, like when I do some work and I work on my game and when I go out for things and just stuff like that. But right now during quarantine there's not much I can do. I'm walking around the room like a madman right now. But yeah, so next time we actually do this sort of flogging, that's not what you call it, is it? You call it day in the life, a little a log, a daily log of what's happening. But yeah, next time we will do something a bit more fun, hopefully. But for this now, it was quite a boring day, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. It's kind of what I do, just a little bit of game dev on the side as well as thingy pixel art. But next time we'll do some more. Maybe we'll actually get into some Unity programming and I'll explain some pieces and that while I'm doing that. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, punch the like button, subscribe button in the face and headbutt that bell to make it ring. That makes a lot of sense, I don't know. And guys, just let you know, I'm trying to save up to buy an iOS license and also a new PC rig because I can't actually make 3D games without my computer crashing, so I'm only using an iMac or a MacBook Pro 2015, so it's quite old now. So if you want to support me on doing that, then you can head over to my Patreon. Again, it's all that stuff is only for the future development stuff. If you just want to see the normal stuff I'm doing, you don't have to pay anything. Again, it's all free. But if you do want to help out, hop over to my Patreon. It's in the link description below. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.